try to figure out which goes. So how can you figure out which part from each cabinet? It's easy. On each label we have the number of cabinet and name of the part. So follow the drawing, just find all necessary part. And also I want to mention we use a stretcher, drawer stretcher, so our cabinet's much stronger. And also it's not the nail, it's 5mm Euro countermand screw all around. And it works in pair with 8mm dowel and hole for countermand screw. So no extra pressure to support. And these holes, location holes, everything done in CNC.